Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Kakashi from Naruto. It's going to be real simple, easy, for beginners, kind of a headshot, like an upper body shot, okay? We're going to go through it simple, step by step, all right? Let's get started right now. Alrighty, let's go over here and draw Kakashi Hatake. Alright, let's do it. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into kind of, I want his hair to hit this point. Got to make sure it's on camera. So his headband would be maybe like here. Down. It's going to slant down. Over here, I'm gonna pull up right here for the hair, down. And it's gonna have this kind of like, how do you say, like comb over effect kind of thing going on. Right here, so it's gonna curve over, but it's gonna spike all the way there. Ooh, it kind of got one off the page there. There you go. Pulled it back. There we go. Curve here. And curve here, kind of where it's slanted right there, kind of like a pseudo eye patch. Pull across, and it's gonna pull down here. There we go. Curve, I'm gonna start here with a nose on this side. It's gonna kind of overlap a bit. And I'm gonna find that side of the face sticking out. So it's gonna be right here, down here. Curve over here. Kind of that side of the face sticking right out. And I'm going to kind of pull back, down. Gonna find the bottom here. Right there, you see that jaw angle there? I mean, he's basically like a ninja, right? That's like the idea. Curve right here to the bottom and pull back up over here. Let's find his eye right there. So it kind of makes sense. I'm gonna go over here, start about this point, and I'm gonna find the just general eyelid. Curve. Over here. Accidentally hit it. Sorry about that. Hit the edge there. Hopefully you're doing good. Hopefully you're having a great time. What anime are you watching? Curve right here for the eye. If you're watching any anime, what anime are you currently on? Let me know in the comments. I should put like, I want to do like a lot more anime stuff on here. If you have any requests, by the way, request a character. I will totally do it. Line over here. Line here. Right on. So let's go over here and draw the ear. It's gonna butt up right against it. Curve right there. Line over here. And line here. There we go. Let's do the insignia at the top. It's slanted, so line right there. Across. Gonna also do a little bit of a thickness, right? Like a thickness layer right there. Curve. Curve. And down over here. All right, gonna go do that insignia. So I'm gonna draw a straight line. I'm just gonna do it like in just a total dark marker there. Curve right here. Angle right there. And let's throw some circles right here for where it attaches. There you go. Excuse me. Gonna go right here. Gonna pull down. Pull down here for the neck. Out for the trapezius. Pulling in right here for kind of the top of the shirt. Down, line here. Curve right here on this side, down. Pull up here, curve. Okay, doing good so far. Right on. Okie doke. And what are we gonna do here? So, control like a thin line closing off the eye right there a little bit, but not really. I'm probably not gonna do that much. Or you can draw like a line right here at the nose, like to show kind of the nose showing a shape through it. Okay, let's go over here, and I'm gonna pull the hair down right here first. So it's gonna pull down from his ear, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, go over here on this side, same thing. It's gonna pull down, almost like icicles hanging down. Over here on this side, curve, down, curve underneath, up, line. It's like almost like a pillowcase he has on. It's like a collar. Out, down, and another one, just to make that thin line. Again, it looks like a pillow. It's not a pillow, but it looks like it to me. Angle over here, out. As good as other pillow. His other side of the collar. And you try to make them line up in the back, like try to imagine them, you know, like, okay, we'll come on over here. Out, down, curve underneath, up, out, down, and then pull another line right there to make it that thin line there. Let's go over here, pull out on that side. Curve over here, curve over here, curve down for that edge, curve down for this edge. Gonna go over here on this side, down, and kind of unite it with that. It's kind of a shoulder pad. And this is gonna have a rim around it, brim around it right there, like so. I'm gonna go down here, down, curve in. Same thing, looking for that rim. Circle, kind of like a button there. Circle. Kind of two lines from it too, where it's more or less coming out there. And these are just gonna go down a bit. And you can have the actual arm coming out here. Arm coming out here. To like fully kind of make it, how do you say? I guess to fully make it realized. And like I said, I do like doing, well, also let me throw a curve line here for the Adam's apple. But what I do like doing is I like doing a thick line on the outside of characters for line art's sake. So definitely do that with him. A little bit of a thicker line, because it just looks a lot nicer, in my opinion. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Chilling out. So, just kind of putting that extra line. Gives it a lot more detail, for oddly enough, because all these other lines inside come off, I don't know, just more detailed for some reason. They just come off better when you do that. It just shows like the complexity of the inside. And I think it just kind of contains that complexity and kind of points you in the direction of that. Like so. And if there's any other details missing, let me see. You can draw a few more details here in the inner area, but that's mostly, I could draw maybe like a couple of hairs sticking out there. That's mostly it. Yeah, right on, good job.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.